Teledata One, the Italian touch to fire safety technology.
The most important product we are presenting this year is OneLive, our new cloud platform. It is designed to be the best possible maintenance tool dedicated specifically for fire detection, both on web and mobile. Every partner will be able to monitor their system in real time, including the exact percentage of devices that have been tested. OneLive keeps a precise record of this test and automatically issue a clear compliant or non-compliant status year after year for each system. It even allows maintenance team to set goals, assign users, and send automated notifications to building owners when a system is not compliant to local maintenance regulation. If a system becomes non-compliant, OneLive can automatically email the end user or their compliance team, informing them that even without alarms or fault, the system is not up to date with required maintenance. For the first time, maintenance compliance becomes transparent, measurable, and backed by clear, undisputable compliance status. The platform also receives live analog value and dust level in percentages for every detector. This is recorded live several times a day over months and years. This gives us huge amount of historical data. Our AI analyzes this data by comparing each detector's behavior with two things: the normal production value we expect from a device and the behavior of other detectors in the same installation. If OneLive sees something outside these expected ranges, it immediately flags the detector for predictive maintenance. This reduces false alarm, helps the maintenance team know exactly which device needs attention before arriving on site, and keep the entire system healthier with fewer unplanned visits. You can also run a walk test for maintenance directly from your phone or web app, remotely or on-site. Once in a walk test mode, you can see which detector had been tested, including those activated automatically. You will see detector activation in real time. You can test sounder for sound and flash, and you can force test completion, as if you are standing in front of a panel checking all the events. The application also allows full visibility across multiple sites with a powerful filtering option, plus a dashboard showing compliance status, active alarms or false, and predictive maintenance alerts. You can work at the macro level, viewing many sites at once, or go down into micro level, viewing a single device, its analog and thermal value over time, and its complete history, device by device. At Teledata, we create technology that improves safety, reduces risk, and supports people responsible for protecting buildings and lives every day. This is our mission. This is what drives us, and this is what we are proud to share with you here at Sicurezza.